In this video, we are going to discuss some most important MCQ about article and schedule from Indian Constitution. First question, which part of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Correct answer is option A, part 3. The directive principle of state policy are enshrined in which part of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option B, part 4. Article 21A of the Indian Constitution deals with. Correct answer is option B, right to education. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains the anti-defection law? Correct answer is option B, 10th schedule. Article 14 of the Indian Constitution guarantees. Correct answer is option A, right to equality. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the power and function of municipalities? Correct answer is option A, part 9. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains the list of languages recognized by the Constitution? Correct answer is option A, 8th schedule. Article 370 of the Indian Constitution provide special status to which state or region? Correct answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the Union territories? Correct answer is option A, part 8. The preamble of the Indian Constitution is based on the Constitution of. Correct answer is option D, Ireland. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the organization of states? Correct answer is option C, part 7. Article 32 of the Indian Constitution deals with. Correct answer is option B, right to constitutional remedies. The Constitution of India originally had how many schedules? Correct answer is option A, 8. Which schedule of Indian Constitution deals with the allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha? Correct answer is option D, 4th schedule. Article 74 of the Indian Constitution deals with the. Correct answer is option A, Council of Ministers. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with election? Correct answer is option B, part 13. The term Union of India has been described in which article of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option A, Article 1. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the administration and control of scheduled area and scheduled tribes? Correct answer is option A, 5th schedule. Article 15 of the Indian Constitution prohibits discrimination on the grounds of. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the amendment procedure? Correct answer is option D, part 21. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the official language of the Union? Correct answer is option C, Part 17. Article 19 of the Indian Constitution guarantees which of the following rights? Correct answer is option B, right to freedom of speech. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains the form and oaths or affirmations for various elected office? Correct answer is option D, third schedule. Article 243 of the Indian Constitution deals with. Correct answer is option A, panchayats. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with emergency provisions? Correct answer is option B, Part 18. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the power, authorities and responsibilities of panchayats? Correct answer is option C, 11th schedule. Article 368 of the Indian Constitution deals with. Correct answer is option B, amendment of the Constitution. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the relationship between the Union and the states? Correct answer is option A, Part 11. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with citizenship? Correct answer is option D, Part 14. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the administration and control of tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram? Correct answer is option B, 6th schedule. Article 21 of the Indian Constitution guarantees. Correct answer is option C, right to life and personal liberty. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the high courts in states? Correct answer is option C, Part 8. The preamble of the Indian Constitution described India as a. Correct answer is option C, democratic republic. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the list of states and union territories and their territories? Correct answer is option A, first schedule. Article 15(3) of the Indian Constitution enables the state to make special provisions for. Correct answer is option C, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the official languages of the states? Correct answer is option C, Part 19. Article 74(1) of the Indian Constitution provides for the Council of Ministers to aid and advise. Correct answer is option B, the President. The Constitution 73rd Amendment Act 1992 deals with. Correct answer is option A, panchayats. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains provisions regarding disqualification on the grounds of defection? Correct answer is option B, 10th schedule. Article 51A of the Indian Constitution deals with. Correct answer is option A, fundamental duties. The 12th schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with. Correct answer is option C, municipalities. Article 268 of the Indian Constitution deals with. Correct answer is option B, distribution of revenues between union and the states. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the Finance Commission? Correct answer is option A, part 12. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Correct answer is option A, part 10. The National Human Rights Commission of India was constituted under which article of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option D, Article 338. Article 22 of the Indian Constitution deals with. Correct answer is option B, protection against arrest and detention. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the distribution of legislative power between union and states? Correct answer is option A, part 11. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the Supreme Court? Correct answer is option B, part 5. Article 356 of the Indian Constitution deals with. Correct answer is option C, President rule in states. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the allocation of seats in the Lok Sabha? Correct answer is option A, first schedule. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the election of the President and Vice President? Correct answer is option B, part 16. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right of women to equality and opportunity in matters relating to employment or appointment to any office under the states? Correct answer is option C, Article 16. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with trade, commerce, and intercourse within India? Correct answer is option B, part 12. Article 32 of the Indian Constitution provides for. Correct answer is option D, right to constitutional remedies. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains the oath of the office and affirmation for ministers, chief ministers, and governors? Correct answer is option C, third schedule. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the Attorney General for India? Correct answer is option B, part 7. Article 51 of the Indian Constitution deals with. Correct answer is option C, promotion of international peace and security. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the provision of scheduled and tribal areas? Correct answer is option A, part 10. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe my channel.